I had spent years trying to figure out how I could work less in my career so I could spend more time watching our son grow up and make memories to look back on. So that day that I was listening to him telling me how they had won the competition and were going to the nationals, and I wasn't there to see him, that was the turning point for me. I had missed another event, and seeing how excited he was telling me how they had qualified was the last push that I needed. I wasn't missing anything else in his life because of my work. I missed several occasions over the years, but this one, it hit me harder than most. And maybe that was because I knew that I was running out of time. At 16, he'd soon be leaving home for post-secondary, and that meant moving to another town. So I had to change the way that I was living my life, and I had no idea what that was. I was several years into my nursing career and at a set salary at the top of my pay scale, working toward a pension in a full-time position, which meant there was no working less hours without a cut in pay or losing my position. But life is about choices, and knowing what choices are right is difficult sometimes. All I knew at this moment was that I needed more time with my family. So I started searching for another way to earn an income and get back my time. But when you're in your 50s, trying to find another way to earn an income in less hours wasn't easy, or so I thought. I came across a friend from a former network marketing business that we had both left that had started a digital marketing business. She was earning 4 to 5 figures every month, and she was on her way to a 7-figure income, working only 2 hours a day around her full-time job. And watching her journey, it wasn't long before she made over 7 figures in less than 2 years with this business, and she was able to leave her 9-to-5 job, working only a few hours on her own on her online business, enjoying her family in her mid-50s. I found my answer. If you're ever felt stuck and you're interested in taking a look to learn more about this business model, I've put the link below in the description. Starting cost of this digital business was what I was interested in, and in comparison to the other business that I had tried, it was so reasonable and actually included options, providing every new business owner out there the choice of investing where they were most comfortable investing in. That alone gave me such a great feeling for this business right from the start. Providing the opportunity to start at various investment levels, it gave everybody the opportunity to get out of the situation that they were in if they were willing to make a change. There's always going to be a risk when trying anything new, but the proof and the success that business owners were sharing through their stories inside of our community in the business, inside this business model, it gave me the chance to live off of their belief and their results until I had my own. So I jumped in and purchased closer to the higher level, and my business is running smoothly, mostly on automation, and I'm spending as much time with my family as possible right now. Where can you find a mostly done-for-you business model with up to 10 done-for-you digital products, 100% commission on the resale of those products that somebody else made, an already built funnel and website, a step-by-step training, daily mentorship, and tech support that could be done in 2 focus hours a day around your schedule, and for such a low investment cost? A community that works together. Our interactive community has 59,000 entrepreneurs, new and old, that are there for each other every day. And the community is set up through School, SKOOL, an all-in-one platform. Users can host discussions, answer questions, create courses, provide resources, and hold live events all in one place. School community builds what AI can't, and that's trust, because you're face-to-face having discussions and written interactions with other like-minded people. You can gain free access to our business community with your purchase at any level of the business that you decide to invest in. If you want to learn more about School and their platform, there's a link in the description as well. If you're finding value from my story, please help my channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. It'll help me reach other people who are struggling and looking for alternatives as well. So our business model is truly a business in a box. There's live interactive chats and training that'll really help you feel reassured that this is the real thing, with real people who are ready for a change and not willing to wait any longer. There are pages and pages of wins listed inside the community as well, and numerous testimonies. So there's no need to look anywhere else. Everything you need to start and run a successful business is here, and it's taught by a multi-7-figure earner who wanted more time with her family and her 6 kids. The link is in the description as well. If you're feeling the same way I was, just know that you're not alone and that there is another answer out there. I'd love for you to share in the comments why you're ready for a change like I was. You're not too old, not techy enough, smart enough. You're more capable than you think. And when you're ready for more in your life, just remember that you deserve it. And only you can make this happen. You have one life to live. Get back your dreams to how you want to live your life, because you can. If you're interested, there's access to the free blueprint that we used below. Check out my next video to show you why this can work for you.
If you don't know my story, my name's Christina, and I call myself the Hot Mess Express stay-at-home mom because that's literally just me. I am a regular, complete to the bone, regular stay-at-home mom. I've been a stay-at-home mom for about 15 years, and I have had a side hustle after side hustle. I just wanted to help my husband pay the bills. I was trying my hardest on a side hustle. It was wasting my time and wasting my money. So I had done, before I got pregnant with my first son, I had done nursing school. I spent $30,000 on a nursing degree. I quit because I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. So my husband and I, we entertained the idea of me going back to nursing school or getting a job. I didn't want to do either one. I didn't want to be stuck in 14-hour shifts, working nights, holidays, and weekends, and the side hustles were killing me. I would literally work 14-hour days on cookies to make like $30 because of the cost of supplies and overhead. So never, ever, ever even entertained the idea of making money online. Like it did not even cross my mind, never thought it was possible. I didn't know anything about content creators, social media, none of that stuff. Randomly, I kept scrolling on Facebook and this lady popped up in my feed and she was talking about making money from her phone. And I'm like, what is this? Like, it seems a little too good to be true. She was making $900 milking her cows and homeschooling her kids. She had made like 50 grand her first year doing this. And I'm like, oh my goodness, if I could just make like $1,000, that would help my husband a whole lot. So I got the information, I jumped in. I was so nervous to tell my husband about this because I saw there was an investment and we were already strapped, like paycheck to paycheck. There was no extra. So I finally got the courage. I actually saw one of these webinars and I heard Daryl talking on it. And he said, if you are coachable and if you are consistent, there is literally no way you can't see at least some success in this program. I didn't know him. I'd never seen him before, but I believed him. I believed his conviction. So I went to my husband. I'm like, I want to do this, but it costs money and I'm just so nervous. And he was so skeptical. He had that mindset of, well, if you want money, you got to work a job. He didn't think this opportunity was something real. He thought it was maybe an MLM. And he said, of course they want you to join Christina because they want your money. Like, he literally did not believe it. So jumped in. I decided, well, there's payment plans. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. And I just had a fire and a desire to change my life. Literally knew nothing about it. I jumped in. I followed Michelle's Launch to Profit training inside this program. And even though I had a payment plan going on with this program, I made my investment back in 2 weeks. Then a couple days later, another sale. So now I'm in profit mode and I was blown away because I had my little bacon business in my house, my side hustle, and there was so much overhead. There's no monthly fees or overhead here. And I was blown away by that alone. Jumped in, did it. And now when I got inside this program, it never even crossed my brain. I saw that there were regular people making 6 figures doing this. And I'm like, that's crazy. That's cool. But like, that's not going to be me ever. Like, I literally it never entertained my brain. So when it happened 2 days ago while I was at my son's baseball game, it's very surreal. Like, it just gives me goosebumps and just makes me like, I can't even believe it. This program, and it's not even just about the money, just the mindset shift. You turn into a totally different person. Like, you get surrounded by all these people that want to see you succeed and want to help you get better and just better at life. Like, it's like nothing else. Like, being able to have breathing room and pay off credit card debt. My husband and I, for 19 years that we've been together, we have always been in the hole and in credit card debt. My phone, just since the new year, has paid off all of our debt. As a stay-at-home mom working a couple hours a day from my phone. And all I literally do is I follow the steps. I literally follow the steps and I share my story. Your story can change so many people's lives. There are so many people going through the same situations that you're going through. And when you have your hands on this, like I said, I didn't think I was going to hit 6 figures. I didn't think I would be even having $4,000 days or $15,000 months. I was naive because I didn't know what I had my hands on. So I'm just telling you, you got to bet on yourself.